it was a great experience for me as a person and as an image consultant to be able to meet the student from the International School of New Delhi, because them culture, because them school, them background is so particular, it's so different that one we have in here, it creates a great complementarity. So I could learn so much from them, and I did learn so much from them, and I hope they learned from me too. I cannot thank enough the International School of Design for bringing us this great experience and the students. I really hope that in the future we can have more of those exchange with the School of New Delhi, the School of London, and the different future school that they're gonna be. And we can grow all together into becoming great image consultants, interior designers, stylists, and whatever the International School of Design help us become. So thank you so much, International School of Design, for this, and shukriya, namaste.